top.
I'm going. He's right there. I see his shadow. Let me get her on the wall.
Kenny, I'm going somewhere else. Camera! Just saying, if the guys in the service seat, you're going to be one short-ass 15-year-old. Or 16-year-old. Sonny's going to be... Camera!
Dude, move to the back.
Just dude. No. Then all hell broke loose.
Jump.
We spawn trapped some gentlemen. Pretty sweet. For YouTubers, okay, wow, there's a red dot. Camera!
Someone got my right side clear.
Camera! You got a lot of editing to do, Kenny.
Yeah.
That's why, isn't it? Kenny, Brev's not moving in on the action.
Can you access the bank from here?
Yeah, you can go behind the jail. You can go back there. How many? Yo,
like
Kenny, I'm gonna go back, okay?
I only saw 2.
We'll come in for another one, okay? Everything okay?
Yep.
Okay. Should I go with you?
I know they're gonna pop out there.
Okay. Camera.
We got snipers.
Yeah, they actually have a sniper here. That's kind of sad.
We got guys versus Colt off. Hit!